Hi guys, this is Barbie, and today we are going to talk about this BYD Leopard 5 that's here at Approved Detailing for paint protection. Okay, so we do usually use XPEL templates for the cars, but for this BYD Leopard 5, we do not have a template. So what do? We do have an in-house designer team that comes very handy, because they're going to create the template specifically for this car. So you would wonder, how do we create the template? So we have vendor here, our designer, I just call him a magician. He creates the templates specifically to the size of the panels. Once he does have the templates on his computer, we do have the machine that cuts the film. So now that we have the pre-cut template, let me show you how do we install the door PPF. We are back with the BYD Leopard 5, which is fully protected with XPEL PPF and XPEL Prime XR Plus ceramic window tint, also as interior ceramic coating, full protection, ready for the Dubai roads. So if you liked our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.